Here's a pair of the SHOKZ OpenRun headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Mac via Bluetooth. So the first thing we want to do is put these headphones into pairing mode. Okay, so on the bottom, on one side here, you have a plus button and a minus button. Okay, so what we want to do is first turn these off. Let me press and hold this plus button for a few seconds. Okay, there's that red light. Okay, now it just turned off. Now, in order for me to put this in pairing mode while it's off, I am going to press and hold that plus button, and I'm going to keep holding and wait until it starts blinking blue, red here. Okay, so plus on here, ready, go. Press and hold, keep holding. Wait. There we go, blue, red, and also said it's also said it's pairing. Okay, so now it's in pairing mode. Let's shoot over to our Mac here. You want to go directly to your settings. You can top left-hand side, click on the Apple logo, and you want to go down to System Settings. From here, go ahead and select on Bluetooth. And then you see that little, make sure Bluetooth is turned on, that little spinning thing down here you see, it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode about 30 feet from me. Okay, so these are still in the pairing mode. The one side here is blinking blue, red, and it did show up down here, OpenRun by SHOKZ. I'm gonna go down here, I'm gonna select on Connect. And give it, oh, there we go. Okay, and now we're connected, as you can see, and we're ready to go. Pretty simple. Now, if you had issues where you couldn't put it in the pairing mode or issues connecting, you can always factory reset these headphones. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.